Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Sunil Chauhan and this is episode number 4 of Engineering 1500 SqFt 4 BHK floor plan in Adobe Illustrator. In this video, we are going to start from where we left in the previous video and complete the interior walls of the flat. So let's jump into the Illustrator document and get ourselves going. Let me draw a wall here. Keep it short, leaving some space for the door. This will be our master bathroom. Draw a wall here as well. This will be our attached bathroom with this bedroom. Draw another wall here as well. This is the attached bathroom for this another bedroom. Let's choose the direct selection tool and make this wall a little longer. This much maybe. So we have just enough space for the door here. For this room, create a wall here, leaving some space for the door. Now move downwards and then right, and then end this wall here, leaving some space for the door. So this becomes our attached bathroom for this room. Now this one here is a kitchen. Let's create a wall here and leave some space for the door. Let's see how much space do we have here for our kitchen. Let's bring our reference square and place it inside the kitchen. Resize it to match the space in our kitchen. Now notice in the properties panel, the width is 2.225 inch. Let's calculate what this scaled length represents for our actual kitchen. Multiply 2.225 with 48, which is our scale factor, and we get 106.8 inch. Divide this by 12 and we get 8 feet and 9 inches. So our kitchen will be 8 feet 9 inches by 10 inches. This looks like a decent space for the kitchen. Now grab the pen tool and set the stroke size to 0.016, and now let's draw our kitchen slab. Let's create a wall here as well. Now let's bring our reference square back into our drawing and measure the passageway we have here, connecting our living room to our bedrooms and other areas of the house. Let's resize it to match the passageway size. Now notice I need to pull down the wall of this bedroom here to make it little longer. So with the help of direct selection tool, let's accomplish this task. Now in the properties panel, as you can see, the height of the reference square is 1.817 inch. Let's multiply this with scale factor of 48. And we get 87.216 inches. Now divide by 12 and we get 7 feet and 268 inches as the width of our passageway or hallway. 7 feet space seemed like too wide for a passageway, so I decided to reduce it to 5 feet 5 inches, which is now the height of this reference rectangle you see here. So we can now increase the widths of each of our rooms. For that, let's choose the direct selection tool and select this point, then press and hold Shift key and make selection of other points like this one. Now press up arrow key on your keyboard to move these points up. Similarly, let's select this point, this one and this one, and this time with the help of down arrow key, move these points downwards. So now our passageway has been narrowed down to 5 feet and 5 inches in width. This has also allowed us to have more space in our rooms. Let's make some more space in our master bathroom as well. Select these 2 points and bring them down. This much will do just fine. So now we are done with the interior walls. In the next video we are going to add windows to our rooms. So stay tuned and I'll catch you in my next.